Hello, my friend. Welcome to another Real Talk. Today, parang ayokong bumangon. I don't wanna get out of bed. Parang napakadami kong dinadala. Paggising ko pa lang, ang bigat na ng heart ko. But you know what, my friend? Bukas ako ng Bible, no? Ang sabi dun yung sa Isaiah 26:4. Let me read it for you. It says there, trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord Himself is the rock eternal. Yun yung Bible verse. Grabe, di ba? Guys, I'm hurting a lot. There's a lot of things on my plate. Ang daming struggles, ang daming pinagdadaanan. To be honest with you, real talk nga tayo, di ba? Walang pagpapanggap. So, feeling ko this morning, meron pa akong dinadalang hindi pa nga nasusolusyonan mga problema, right? Tapos may dumating na naman. Something happened to the car, and then I found out that my grandmother died. She's in the US, si Lola Baby Alonte. So, nakakagulat, sunod-sunod. Pero sabi, di ba, trust in the Lord always. Meaning, mag-trust regardless of what is happening, regardless it's bad, regardless it's worse, mag-trust daw. Di ba ang hirap kasi paano ka magta-trust? Paano ka magpe-pray? Paano ka mag-encourage if you yourself struggling, di ba? If you yourself hurting, if you yourself is in pain. Well, it's clearly stays there in the Bible, the trust in the Lord, because He's our rock eternal. So meaning, ibigay natin sa Kanya, tiwala. This is what I'm doing right now. Ang hirap, guys. My friend, ang hirap. Pero kinakailangan natin gawin dahil wala naman na tayo ibang matatakbuhan, di ba? We have nowhere to go to. We have no one to go to except God. Siya lang talaga ang mag-help sa atin eh. Sometimes, it's hard to focus and hard to see kung saan tayo dadali. Pero ang sabi, di ba, trust in the Lord always. Not when things are good, not when we are blessed, not when we are closing the deals at work, not when we are being used at church, not that everything is, working well sa buhay natin. Trust always, di ba? Sabi sa Romans 8:28, di ba, all things work together for good nga daw. So, lahat daw yun gagamitin ng Panginoon. So, I just want to remind myself first, kasi di ba, you can't give what you don't have. So, sarili ko muna, and then, nire-remind ko kayo para ma-share ko itong message na to that, God is loving. Hindi naman siya Diyos na nakatalikod, kundi nakaharap siya sa atin, facing us, holding us, carrying us. So, no matter how hurt you are, how in pain you are, my friend, huwag tayong sumuko. Kahit na gusto na nating i-wave yung flag, yung white flag, surrender, kahit na gusto na nating tapusin ang lahat, my friend, God loves you. God loves me. Umasa tayo sa Kanya, magtiwala. Mahirap man, pero kinakailangan tayong magtiwala. He's the maker of heaven and earth. He knows the beginning to the end. Tayo, nakikita lang natin yung nangyayari ngayon. Diba? Pero siya, nakita na niya. And sabi niya, we are victorious. We are the head and not the tail, above and not beneath. We will lend and not borrow. Yun ang mga pangako niya. He will give us a hope and a future. So, kapit tayo doon, hawak tayo doon, magtulungan tayo, mag-encourage tayo one another. Huwag tayo sumuko. So, ito, babangon na ako, lalaban dahil kasama ko ang Panginoon. And ganun ka din, kaibigan. Tandaan mo, the best is yet to come. Stay loving, stay peaceful. Kapit tayo. Huwag tayo sumuko. Kapit tayo. Until next time, share, like, comment for the algorithm to share it to others. Alam ko maraming nasasaktan. Hindi lang ako ngayon, marami tayo. So together, with Christ, we will be fine. Yun ang pangako niya. Tandaan natin yun. So God bless. Peace.